Dave Rockout from Armageddon Turbo here, and today we're talking about our twin LS cast manifolds. When you get your cast manifold in, what you're going to get is just the manifold. Now, the wastegate port can accept a tile 44mm or a Turbo Smart Hypergate 45mm. Bolts right on, there's no additional welding necessary to get your wastegate attached. You're also going to get these studs for easy access on installing your turbocharger. You just have to run the nuts down onto the turbo and snug it down. You will need a T4 gasket to run these, and it'll work with any T4 flange turbocharger, assuming it doesn't contact whatever intake manifold you happen to be running. For the exhaust manifold connection to the cylinder head, we're actually running studs and nuts on these, and that'll come in the kit as well, and you can see them installed here on this manifold. This is the manifold that we were doing the thermal testing on. You can see it turned a beautiful shade of purple gold. After many heat cycles, these will turn more of a gold color overall, but it looks pretty cool right now when it's in the transition zone from being hot on our thermal testing. Dave Rockout from Armageddon Turbo. Like, follow, subscribe, and watch us develop some more badass turbo components.